Trendline popularity routing uses billions of miles of Garmin Connect ride and run data to help you find the best on- and off-road activity routes traveled by your fellow cyclists and runners. Trendline generates route options based on the profile you selected. It routes on streets, trails, sidewalks, and more. With help from you and Garmin Connect users around the world, Trendline is designed to learn from user data in order to update and improve its routing algorithms. The best part about Trendline is that it works automatically whenever you generate a round-trip course. If you'd like to plan a course on your device, get started by pressing the Activity key and selecting a cycling or running activity. Keep in